So hello YouTube, I've stumbled upon a certain web page and let me show you. Just let me start my Edge browser, and that is someone who cares. Bloody Bing. Yeah, nah. Someone who cares. And there you have it. This is the Dan Polk's host file that make internet not suck. And this is very interesting web page because it offers actually quite good good host file. So there are even, I think there is Adobe, if I'm not Adobe stats, adobe.com and what not. So a lot of interesting stuff in there. So I kind of decided to because for example you have to click on the text, then you need to save it, then you need to go to your folders, then you need to run it, then you need to have administrative rights and whatnot. So I decided to make a script that would do all of that, and it's called Vlad Hosts. And first of all, this script is provided as is. You can right click on it, and actually I will be showing you everything there is inside this script and explaining what it does. But content of the host file is not provided by me. So if there is something inside which is, I guess, bad, then it's not my fault that you've downloaded it. So yeah, but I don't think that there will be anything bad because this page has been, I guess, for some time now. So yeah, anyway, let me show you the first thing. When I click on the script, it invokes administrative rights, and this is the because we need in order to work with system files, we need to have administrative rights, obviously. So I've created a couple of sections, and there are 7 sections, and the last one is obviously quit, and the number 6 is about. So let me show you about. This script is provided free of charge and therefore as is. Okay, blah blah blah. It uses wget, which are these files in here. So if you click on properties, these files are actually Free Software Foundation. Okay, so if you have problems downloading from me, you can download from them, not an issue. And hosts are downloaded from, well, someonewhocares.org/host/hosts, which is, dude is awesome. Anyway, so let me show you. I don't want to run my YouTube. I don't want to start my YouTube channel. So let me show you the idea. There are a couple of options in here. So, for example, if you press 4, you can manually add host files. And as you can see, I actually have his host as well. So yeah, and kind of cool thing is that if you, for example, press 111 and you press Ctrl S, and you actually get here to save file, just press Ctrl S. There are no, because this notepad is started as an administrator, there are no issues with it. Anyway, so this is one of the options. The other one, for example, number 5, is to explore the host folder, just in case you want to, I don't know, copy it, back your older hosts before you start this script and whatnot. Anyway, option number 3 and number 2 are actually quite, I would say quite simple, but functional. So let me show you. Let me open the folder. So 5, and I'll move this thing in here, and I'll, for example, I'll press 2 to disable host file. And what this thing will do is actually rename hosts to _hosts, and therefore the file will be disabled. And just to enable it, press 3, and again, same thing, but now it's renamed vice versa. Okay, so I'll actually delete this host file. In just a second, I do need to have administrative rights. And let me show you how this thing works. So I'll press 1 to download hosts, and you actually get the progress bar in here, and there you have it. The host file has been copied back. Now, even if you have, for example, there are a lot of checks inside. So for example, if you have disabled file. Now, as you see, there, fuck it, I'll just press 2. There is disabled. Now, even if you have disabled the file, the script will detect. So I'll press 1 to download. Updates will be always the freshest. And as you can see, the script has detected that you have actually disabled host file. So do you want to enable it and update it? So I'll press yes, and these files will be deleted and new ones will be copied inside the host file. So okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much, bloody hell, that's pretty much it. It's quite simple actually. Now let me show you inside the file. Sorry, this thing has started as something because a friend has asked me. I showed him the this site, and he told me, yeah, but I need to have option to enable disable, and that is a hassle. And yes, that is a hassle. So yeah. So anyway, let me explain this script. This actually code I copied and pasted this part and the last part. This is basically invoking administrative rights. So this is pre-part, and basically the test is you have these error levels, and if you don't have if you have error level 0, that means that for example the application that you're trying to start, the one that is the one that needs administrative rights, so if it returns error level 0, it means that you have rights. If it doesn't, then means you don't. Anyway, so this is basically it. You can copy and paste this code and just Google it. It's quite simple. So the next thing I'm using is this set enable delay expansion, and this is due to the error levels. Sometimes if you, for example, if you have choice yes and no, and I do have a lot of choices in here, sometimes you need to have this thing delay enabled, because the error level that should be does not happen. I don't know how to explain it, but I think you get the idea. Anyway, so this is the choice menu, and these are the error levels, and these are the labels you want to go. So for example, if you press 1, you go to the update. So we are at update, and this is since we are running as administrator, I need to know where where the script is in the folder that was ran, because for example, if you run something as an administrator, you usually go to system32 folder. So this is basically we are returning to the folder which is current. Okay, so this is we are downloading updates, and I have here if does not exist host. What does this mean? This is the first if, and for example, if it does not exist, it will download this file from that site. But if it exists, it's already been downloaded. So because at the end I have a cleanup that deletes all of the host files. So this is just if something happens for you not to download multiple times and not to just hassle the server, obviously. Anyway, so if it does not exist, we'll download the new host file, and if it exists, it seems that it has been downloaded. So obviously, and the next thing we are checking it to see is if we have host files in the Windows folder, and we are going to this label which it says exist, and we are moving the file that we have previously downloaded to the folder where hosts are stored. So we are actually updating it, and again we are deleting just in case we are deleting the files that we have downloaded. Well, actually the host file, and this is do not show anything, and this is do not show any errors. So because there nothing can actually happen in here that's useful anyway. Timeout /t20 is just a timeout. These previous messages are displayed, and after that it will go to menu, and the menu is actually, well, this thing, this as you see, this menu. And yeah, basically that is it. There are a lot of checks in here, but you can follow the code, and it is actually quite, I would say quite simple. It took me some time to write it because I didn't have idea what I was going to do. But yeah, anyway, if you like this video, click thumbs up, obviously. If you did not, well, you know what to do, and until the next time, I hope you found this thing useful. Yeah, cheers. Bye bye.